This is a London Taxi TX4, and Ali is going to show you what's wrong with it here. It's got a radiator leak at the top hose there, top hose on the top of the engine there, coming from the radiator. So it's leaking because you can see the bulge in there. Now Ali's going to put in a container to try and save some coolant, but he's not going to manage that. He's a useless guy, really rubbish, terrible guy. He's going to unscrew the hose clip, but because he takes so long, we're going to cut the scene. Okay. Oh, for goodness sake, it's so slow. Right, wiggle off the hose, and you'll see there's a split in the hose just at towards the end of the hose there. That's why it's leaking at water when it's hot. So you must do this, Ali says. Only do this when it's roasting hot. No, do it when it's cold. Cold. He's a fool, Ali, I tell you. Right, only do this when it's cold. Try and catch the coolant, but that's not much coming out there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut the hose to before where the leak is, because it's coming out, water's coming out everywhere, coolant, and you can't have coolant coming out, can you? Can you, Ali? No. You can't have coolant coming out, especially when winter going to go -5, -10. Your engine will blow up. The water will freeze if it's just water. Now you're going to cut the hose with a Stanley knife. Okay, there it is there. Cut it off. About ½ an inch off from where it was leaking. Where's Ali going? Come on! Put it back on now. Oh, for goodness sake. Right, open up the hose clip and get it back on the hose, the top hose. This will do you for a temporary measure. A little temporary measure until you get a new top hose, because it's going to chafe. That's the word, chafe against the top of the engine there, because it's too tight. Now you see there's no clearance. You'll see that in a minute. Now put the hose clip back on. It should go on, no bother. Wee bit of a wiggle, and on the top of the thermostat there, that's the thermostat there, what it's putting it onto. The top of the thermostat, there's a wee butt, B-U-T-T, to stop the hose going too far, and then you can tighten your clip up again. Oh, he's so slow, Ali. I'll need to get somebody else, I'm telling you. He's no use, I'm telling you. Oh, there he goes. He's tightening it up now. He's just making sure. There's a wee gap there, but not really enough. Tighten it up now. Once you've tightened it up nice and tight, you need to refill it up with coolant, okay? Make sure you put the right coolant into the bottle, because you've lost some coolant. Top it right up and run your engine to make sure you don't have that leak anymore. There's a wee hack for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Ali.